In today's Citizens Voice, we highlight Powai Lake, or put the spotlight on this largest water body in Powai, which has actually suffered immensely due to rising pollution and just improper maintenance. Nikhil Narayan Sivdas caught up with a number of concerned citizens who are doing their best to raise awareness and clean up the lake, but are hoping for help from all quarters to aid their cause.
Behind me is the Powai Lake, one of the largest water bodies in the region and an area which has the great potential to be a tourist spot. But it's beset by a number of problems, including pollution, dumping of debris, as well as the uncontrollable spread of weeds. I have with me concerned citizens today who are very worried about the impact this will have on residents and people who use this area. Sir, coming to you first, can you tell me what kind of impact has it had on the health of people who are staying here?
No, those who are coming here from far-off places for visiting Powai Lake, they find it difficult actually because of garbage and this water body.
कोशिश है हमारी एनजीओ की निसर्ग स्वास्थ्य मिशन की जो एनजीओ है यहाँ पर उसकी कोशिश है इन दिनों में खासकर जब ये इमर्शंस होते हैं यहाँ पर गणेश जी का माँ दुर्गा का उन दिनों में आके एक एक यहाँ की गंदगी उठाना कोशिश जारी है। एफर्ट्स छोटे छोटे हैं पर कोशिश जारी है, पर जो चीज़ हमें अच्छी नहीं लगती या कहे जिससे हम आहत हैं, एक जगह साफ करते हैं, कुछ दिनों में स्वयं वहाँ पर दूसरे कचरा डालने आ जाते हैं।
Powai Lake, my question to you is twofold. One, how critical is it to actually maintain this as a pollution-free zone, and what can be done to actually improve the situation here now that you've seen this on the ground?
My point here is that this water body is a backup for the city of Mumbai. If you protect it, you will have water supply in times of crisis. Now with increasing the scenario of rainfall being less and less every year, this is important that you protect the water bodies. Now, what we are missing out here is a chance to showcase Powai Lake to the world. No city in the world has crocodiles in the middle of it. So if you had even done something very basic as creating crocodile roosting islands, basking islands in the between, people would come here from all over the world and stand and see the crocodiles here. But that will come only if the lake receives clean water, which again is a major cause of concern. Sewage, the hyacinths that you see are a result of the sewage that is coming into it. You won't find hyacinths in fresh water. It's because there is too much organic matter in this, that is what's creating the problem. And this degradation will eventually lead to the elimination of the crocodiles and the death of this lake. The lake is shrinking because increasingly there's less and less fresh water coming into it.
It's been years now, the government, as you said, has been putting out budgets, spending money, but nothing seems to have happened. Yeah. Do you feel the need to have a citizens committee to overlook this?
No, we had a Powai beautification committee actually, but that could not work properly because these people were not supporting. The authorities, they are not supporting. So we have NGOs, we joined with the NGOs, Giants, Lands and local people, but that could not be successful. So we wish that it should be handed over to some NGO, not NGOs, multinational companies. They will beautify it properly and look after it.
Like getting money, that's the main question. No, like I am on a committee for giving clearance to the buildings and all that, towers. No, even Island T Tower or Raheja, and they are coming up. We are giving them a task which is corporate social responsibility. Out of that, we tell them you have to do this thing. I mean, we assign the work. And then but finally is who monitor that? Finally, whether they do it, that's the question.
In the short term, what can be done to actually solve this problem?
BMC has to look beyond just the water content of this lake. It has to look for the quality and the tourism potential, the money earning potential. Today BMC is spending on this lake. But I would say that if you showcase it properly, you will make money out of this lake. So here lies a business opportunity. And today's world revolves around business, so it's always more sensible to do this.
Well, citizens are clearly doing their bit to clean up Powai Lake, and maybe now it's time for the government to take a serious look and figure out how best to ramp up their efforts. And even private companies can come in and share the burden. From Mumbai, Nikhil Narayan Sivdas, NDTV.